Esta is la siesta from React Health. My buddy Will sent me some, so I think it's time to finally give these a sleep test. I just got back from camp. I took my Luna 2 with me. Let me tell you, if you have one of these things, it's a beast. I don't think you could kill it. It spent a week in the wilderness with me. Okay, so I have the Siesta. It's a standard nasal. It just goes around your nose. It has 3 sizes. I noticed I could not find a sizing gauge in there, so something's going on with that. So we're gonna have to try them on and see which one we like. So this is the medium. You can see it down there at the bottom. And you're looking for it to sit where your glasses go and end where your mustache would be. You don't want it to squeeze the sides of your nose, so you want to breathe in and out. And just see how you like it. So just try the different sizes. So right away I feel that in my eye, so not a large. Too small. I could tell almost immediately that I wouldn't want that. So a medium I am. All right, let's snap it on. I love how their masks snap. Sexy. Let's see. It's pretty quiet. Okay. I'm impressed so far. I will definitely put my padded cheek pads. Let's do that. I took the clips off and slid on the original padded cheek pads. Okay, so far so good with the Siesta. I'll give it to sleep and we'll see what we think. Say I was pretty impressed. I woke up with no mark on the top of my nose. I almost always have like a nasty mark on the top of my nose from any mask that covers the bridge, and I did not get one. So that's fantastic. Look how like I got kind of like a bump, like kind of a bony nose. So very tickled about not having that in the morning. It did take me about 10 minutes to fall asleep, strange new mask. This open exhaust, I did kind of like set my face to the side so it could shoot out rather than, really burying my face in the pillow where it might hiss. So that open exhaust wouldn't be an issue for me. I did tighten up that bottom strap just a little because I could feel it wanted to escape. It wasn't actually escaping, but it wanted to escape and blow the bottom of the cushion out. So I just gave a little more support, tugged those a little bit tighter, and that was it. It was fine. I slept all night with the Siesta and it went great. So if you're looking for a lightweight standard and your previous one had been driving your nose crazy, maybe this lovely little articulating piece right there will give you a break. You guys have a great day.